While the filing cabinets are being transported, they're very much likely to bump into hard objects if the packing is improper. And this might cause the gaps between the cabinet doors and the frames get larger. In this case, we can adjust the hinges to reduce the gaps. There are a few different types of hinges, but when it comes to adjustment, they're all the same. Now, here's a quick demonstration for how to adjust the hinges. Remove the cover of the hinge, and we can see there's a set of screws. The one on the inside is for positioning the door left and right. The one on the outside is for positioning the door frontward or backwards. Let's adjust the one on the inside first. Now let's do the one on the outside. Disassembly demonstration. Keep the door open and remove the covers of all hinges and press the bottom parts of the hinges. Now you can remove the door. Assembly demonstration. Place the hooks into the slots. After that, press the hinges until they're all stable and properly attached. Put the covers back onto the hinges. Finished.